Ladies and gentlemen, now you can see here, as I just showed you last time in our last video, that structure was going to be just fixed. Right now this is the structure which has been just fixed here, and if you're gonna see here right now, this looks like a really professional work have been done. Yeah, you can see here, this is the working of the structure. Today possibly it's going to be ended, and later we gonna just share you things like that, right? As soon as I get the structure completed, I'm gonna share, right? And this is the walkway which is going to fix two walkway. We have just set them to just fix here. So this has been started. Later here are some pieces which are going to, and we got a team here right now standing over there. They all are here. Tariq bhai and Shakir, Salman, and Mr. Nadir is here right now, and the last Ali is also there. He is going to just wheel, right? So Mr. Jugno is with me. He is also part of my working like that. Wherever I go, he is just with me, right? So hope you do enjoy for that, right? As soon as we just complete the video, we will just to let you know more, right? Thank you.